Hey guys, welcome to your channel Mirror Pro. Hope you enjoyed with this video. So, we should see the Samsung Galaxy S11 before too long, because if Samsung continues its yearly cycles for phone releases, it will be out in or around February 2020, and we've heard plenty of rumors about what we can expect from it. On top of that, there are some features we didn't see in the Samsung Galaxy S10 that we were expecting, and there were aspects of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Samsung Galaxy A80 and Galaxy Fold that would work well in a new Galaxy S flagship. So, here's the top 5 incredible features that's the Samsung Galaxy S. The 11th of May includes. The Samsung Galaxy S11 could be the company's first buttonless smartphone, according to a reliable tipster Ice Universe. This means no volume rocker and no all-important power key. Instead, the handset may rely on a mixture of movement and pressure to determine what would usually be a hardware input. A long firm press on the right-hand side of the frame could wake the device up, for example, while sliding down the left might adjust the volume. This isn't the first time that Samsung has explored launching a buttonless smartphone. In June, Ice Universe revealed that the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus started life without hardware buttons. However, both handsets failed the firm's rigorous testing process, which resulted in it scrapping the futuristic prototypes in favor of a backup model with hardware keys. But like a dog with a bone, Sammy is back desperately trying to win the bragging rights that come with being the pioneer. Ice Universe also revealed that the Samsung Galaxy S11 will be a significant improvement on the current Samsung Galaxy S10, noting that Samsung's treating the handset as a new beginning. The Samsung Galaxy S11 could come with a remarkable feature that will let you measure everything from how dehydrated you are to how much sugar is in a McDonald's apple pie, which should make living a healthy lifestyle easier than ever. Dutch outlet Let's Go Digital uncovered a patent Samsung recently filed for a smartphone with a spectrometer baked in, a magical sensor that sorts and measures masses of a chemical to determine what's present and the specific quantity. It's this technique that allows the sensor to determine water content through skin and the nutritional value of food. In fact, it's so intricate, it can dig as deep as breaking down the individual nutrients that make it up, such as carbohydrates and fats. The Samsung Galaxy S11 wouldn't be the first smartphone to ship with a spectrometer, if it indeed does. That accolade went to the Changhong H2, which was showcased at CES 2017 and later launched in both China and the United States. According to a new report from Bloomberg, Samsung's flagship phone for 2020 will use a 108-megapixel sensor for its main camera along with separate ultrawide and 5x telephoto lenses. The phone is also said to include a time-of-flight sensor, like this year's Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Samsung's 108-megapixel sensor is a known quantity. Xiaomi's futuristic Mi Mix Alpha will use the same component, and it's already available on the Mi Note 10. But Samsung is making a big bet on its technology here by putting it into its highest profile phone range, which has used the same size 12-megapixel sensors ever since 2016's Galaxy S7. Megapixels aren't everything, of course, but it sounds like the Galaxy S11's camera will at least be the most different from its predecessor in a long time. Although Samsung hasn't announced the Galaxy S11 we expect to see in late February, or even stated that its next flagship phone will use the Snapdragon 865, the Galaxy line is typically one of the first phones to launch with Qualcomm's newest chipset. Plenty of other premium models will also turn to Snapdragon 865 to run the show. Qualcomm says its 865 chipset brings speeds about 25% faster than last year's already blazing Snapdragon 855 CPU. In fact, many of test results far exceeded this figure, with one benchmark result jumping up as far as 77%. Speed isn't everything, though. Along with support for more photography skills, gaming features and a 5G-ready data connection, the Snapdragon 865 is also tuned to be up to 35% more power efficient, which means your phone will be able to do more without sucking up your battery life as quickly. The Samsung Galaxy S. The 11th of May end up with a much larger battery than previous models. According to a new leak from known Samsung leaker Ice Universe, even the smallest Samsung Galaxy phone, likely to be called the Samsung Galaxy S11e, will have a massive 4000 mAh battery. Compared to the 3100 mAh battery in the Galaxy S10e, that's a pretty significant improvement. Of course, the larger devices may have even larger batteries. According to ICE Universe, the Galaxy S11 Plus may have a battery as big as a whopping 5000 mAh, which is also a significant improvement over previous devices. Another reason for the larger battery could have to do with 5G, which is expected to become a standard feature in 2020 as carriers continue to build out their networks and 5G connectivity becomes more common. The only problem is that 5G uses more energy than 4G, and as a result, smartphones are going to need slightly larger batteries. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.